eSpin training. First of all, thank you for coming. We highly appreciate you for your attention. And as you know, my name is Mikhail. I'm from eSpin, and this is eSpin SolarWinds Virtualization Manager Technical Overview. Let's get started. SolarWinds Virtualization Manager offers an easy-to-use, scalable virtualization management solution whose resources can also be integrated with other SolarWinds products on the Orion platform. SolarWinds Virtualization Manager provides visibility into virtual machines and their support infrastructure. It acts as a single pane of glass through which virtual infrastructure administrators can view the internal configuration and state of the services that comprise the virtualized workloads running top virtual infrastructure, along with the supporting computing environments to capture a holistic representation of the evolution and movement of virtual machines within the infrastructure. In addition, real-time and historical information is aggregated within an advanced virtualization interface to present a structured representation of previously unstructured, uncorrelated data. And the following graphic provides a basic outline of the virtualization architecture. So the Virtual Manager Master Appliance, Virtual Manager Federated Collector Appliance, Send Data Transfer, User Environment, access the Management Console, and access the Virtual Manager Appliance and the Management Console as well. Why install SolarWinds Virtualization Manager? Why? Because SolarWinds Virtualization Manager include the following features and fulfill the following objectives. Sage-oriented, provides a Sage-based introspection of virtualized workloads and the underlying infrastructure that supports them. This holistic views crosses virtual and physical boundaries to consolidate disparate data sources. SolarWinds Virtualization Manager provides an improved management experience that facilitates the administration paradigms that organizations use to get the most out of the infrastructure. Historical insight, provides a logical historical records of the entire virtual infrastructure environment to better support temporal-based life cycle management needs. Multidisciplines facilitates broad problem isolation, forensics, performance management, and capacity and consolidation planning process over the entire management infrastructure. Business views applies analytics to show data center trends, performance correlation, and P-chart visualization of your virtual infrastructure. And in addition, Actionable Interface provides an actionable interface to all of the information sources to support remediation-based administration modules. Alright, so minimum requirements and especially browser requirements we highlight over here. So the SolarWinds Virtualization Manager is a web-based product that has the following browser requirements: Internet Explorer 8 or above editions, Mozilla Firefox 2 latest versions currently, Google Chrome 2 latest version as well, and you must install the Adobe Flash Player 9 or later version. Virtual appliance requirements. The following table contains the virtual appliance requirements for SolarWinds Virtual Manager. VMware vSphere 4.0 or 4.1 or later versions, VMware ESX host or ESX iHost 4.1 or later versions, Microsoft Hyper-V Server 2008 R2, Microsoft Hyper-V Server 2012, Microsoft Hyper-V Server 2012 R2 as well. Virtualization Manager only supports the default English localization of Hyper-V. CPU 2 GHz quad-core, virtual CPUs, 4 virtual CPUs. Memory 8 GB or more. Disk space 200 GB or more as well. And virtual network information card 1 gigabit virtual network information card. The port requirements of SolarWinds Virtualization Manager depend on the features and components that you use. The features and components of which the port requirements depend are the following. Please, VMware data connection, Hyper-V data connection, and LDAP authentication, sending email notification used in alerting and reporting, sending SNMP traps used in alerting, Orion integration, and Federated connecting. 443 or AT port, performing auto upgrading or version upgrade on Federated connection in Federated connection are configured. 8983 port, access from Federated connector to the master appliance during initial setup. 443 HTTPS, access to the virtual manager user interface. 5480 port, HTTPS access to the management console. 61616 port for active MQ master connector communication. 22 SSH, access to the virtual appliance. It was the inbound ports for communication with the virtual manager master appliance. And outbound ports, depending on the individual setup and the functions you use. 162 port, sending SNMP traps. 25 port, sending email through SMTP. 389 Active Directory authentication. 3268 port, LDAP authentication. 17778 port, communication with the SolarWinds Orion server if the integration with Orion is enabled. 123 using the NTP service. SolarWinds Integrated Virtual Infrastructure Monitor. Operation System Windows Server 2008, 2008 Service Pack 2, 2008 R2 and 2008 R2 Service Pack 1. The following operating systems are supported for evaluation purposes. Windows 7, Windows 7 Service Pack 1, Windows 8 Accept Standard Edition, Windows 8.1 Accept Standard Edition as well, and Windows 8.1 Update 1 Accept Standard Edition. CPU supposed to be 3 GHz and above. And random access memory 8 GB and HDD or hard disk space 20 GB. .NET Framework 3.5 Service Pack 1, 4.0.3 and 4.6.1. SQL Server 2008 without Service Pack, SQL Server 2008 Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2, Service Pack 3 as well, and SQL Server 2012. Same thing with Service Pack 1 of 2012 server and SQL Server 2014. Browsers: Internet Explorer version 8 and above, Mozilla Firefox 2 latest version, and Google Chrome 2 latest version. Dear partners, dear colleagues, please, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your highly attendance on our eSpin training. However, if you have not enough information received yet, please do not hesitate to contact us or just simply visit our website www.e-spincorp.com. Thank you.